Hello there everyone, this is Felix from Felix the Dev, where coding is a lifestyle. And for those that are new to my channel, my name is Felix, and here I help people who are learning how to code and computer science students complete their degrees. So what are we going to talk about today? Today we're going to talk about what can computer science do to get an internship. So first of all, what are internships for those of you that don't know? And internships are programs where you can get work experience as a student. They have a duration time period where you can participate on the program, and some of these programs are paid or unpaid. So why should we talk about this? Why should we talk about this topic? And the first thing is that internships, in my experience, can be very competitive. It all depends on the internship. There can be hundreds or even thousands of applicants that can apply for that position or one of the positions that is available as an intern. And also, these programs are great for your resume. You can put when you graduate that you participated on these programs, and they can open doors for you and show potential employers that you have some work experience, which is very important for us computer science people and people who are just completing their degrees in computer science, because when you graduate, you can show the potential employer that you have some work experience, and that's very valuable. So internships are a great way to do this and to apply for it. So I encourage you to apply. So also we should talk about this because finding and doing ways to separate from other candidates, since it's so competitive, right? Can increase your chances to land the internship. And just to let you guys know, I use these things to get my my internship when I was an undergraduate student. And this worked for me, so that's why I'm sharing them with you guys, so you can use them as well. And just go ahead and get the internship that you want. Get into that program. So what can you do? Tip number 1 is focus on getting and maintaining a good GPA. And when I say a good GPA, I would say something from the range of 3.0 and greater. That's my suggestion. Also, check your internship program that you want to apply, because sometimes they have standards and they say you have to have minimum this GPA. So take that into account. Take that, research that when you apply to the internship program, read the requirements. But I would say from 3.0 and greater, it's a pretty good GPA in my opinion. But check with your program. And also, internship interviewers can use GPAs to filter out candidates since they apply so much. So many candidates can apply to a program. So this is the first thing you can do to separate yourself. And another thing I should say on this is focus on getting excellent grades on the computer science courses, such as, your major ones, like programming, data structures, all those major courses, because in my experience, internship interviewers can use this to know if you know the key concepts or ideas to succeed in the program. So if they're going to have you coding all day or participating actively in coding in projects, so you would need to know those concepts. So getting a good grade on these classes can open those doors for you. So focus on that. That's the first thing. And tip number 2 is participate in extracurricular activities. And this is a great one. I did this one and it opened doors for me in a lot of ways. And the first suggestion on this one is join the Computer Science Student Association on campus. You can participate in a myriad of ways, in the directive or just as a member. Get involved in the activities, participate, help out. And this can help you network with others, meet other people, other students, and even learn about internship opportunities you didn't even know that existed. So this also helps you out and looks great on your resume. Also, participate in hackathons This is another extracurricular activity that can help you out as well. And you can also network with others there. And the great thing is that sometimes in those hackathons, there's going to be companies looking for interns or even job candidates if you're in your last year of before you graduate. That's awesome. So go to hackathons, participate in them, do a project. This will open great opportunities for you as well. So number 3 is work on side projects. And when I say side projects, is projects that are tailored to your interests and also the internship, the type of internship that you're applying to. And this is very important because, for example, let's say that you want to apply as an intern for as an Android developer for an internship program, right? And on this program, you're going to be making Android apps. So my suggestion is to work on side projects on making Android apps by yourself, maybe on the weekends or just on your extra time, and go ahead and just make a few apps on this so you can show the internship interviewer that you have some practical experience. Not only that you like Android, but you can show like, here's my code, and he can or she can see that you actually know how to code in Android, which helps separates you from a lot of candidates that don't know Android. So this will help you out a lot. And another thing you can do, which is tip number 4, is create a GitHub profile. And this goes right related to the previous tip, and is that a GitHub profile, you can host your projects there and the code. So the side projects you've been working on, returning to the example of being an Android developer, an Android internship applicant, you can post the code on GitHub, and your internship interviewers can see that how you code, your style, maybe how you think when solving a problem, how you place your code. And this can help you separate from other candidates because they can see your actual work. And not only that you're a student, but this is very impressive because you have code to show for it. So this is another way you can use to your advantage to separate yourself as an internship candidate. So create a GitHub profile. It's free. Just go to github.com, create an account, and upload your code there to all your projects, and put this on your resume. Very important. Put your GitHub link on your resume and use this as a topic of conversation when you have the interview with the internship people that work there. It can be in a company, or it can be in a myriad of places, various places. So this is very good. So you should create a GitHub profile and post your code there. And also, by having a GitHub profile, they can see that if you're a good fit for the position. Because let's say they want, returning to the example of an Android developer, they can see that you know how to use the programming language. It can be Java or Kotlin, and then you can actually make an app. So this is great. So there you go, guys. This you have some tips here on things you can do to separate yourself from other candidates to get the internship that you want. If you like this video, just click that thumbs up button, comment below, and share this video with other students. It might help them out. Maybe you have a friend that is applying to an internship. This video can help them reach that goal, get that internship that they want, and also yourself. Also, guys, follow me on Medium for more tips and strategies. I'll put the link on the description. And these tips, you can use them to succeed as a computer science student, just like the info I drop on this channel. And also follow me on social media. I'll put the links on the description below as well, like Twitter and other platforms. So There you go, guys. I will see you in the next videos. This was Felix from Felix the Dev. I hope you guys have a great week. Take care.